Hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel. Exactly 1 year ago, I got this bike, BMW Gs 310, somewhere around July 2024. So exactly 1 year later, the bike is now ready for its second service. So let's get started. So if you are the one picking up this bike, or if you already have this bike and thinking what will be covered in the second service and how much it's gonna cost, what will not be covered, I'm gonna cover everything in this video. So please stay until the end of the video. Do like, share and subscribe. And the first thing first, let's go fuel up a little bit. So we don't want to drop the bike with an empty tank, and then we proceed from there. There is one common complaint about this bike that I don't know, everybody likes it or even I love it. Okay, this is actually a head turner. People usually keep looking at this bike wherever you go. I think I'll be able to capture some more public reactions today. Okay, talking about the service interval, bike should be serviced once in first one is 1000 kilometers, the second one is 10,000 kilometers or 1 year. The third service is 20,000 kilometers or 2 years, whichever comes early. So I don't use this bike on a daily basis. This is not my daily commute vehicle. I do most of the time I'll be working from home. So I was only fortunate to ride about close to 4,000 kilometers on this bike. So the bike gives you the vibe, the bike gives you the comfort and the feeling that you're riding a premium bike. It doesn't look like you're riding a 300 series. It always looks like you're driving something about maybe 650 or something bigger than that. The showroom closer to me is in Koramangala, somewhere around 8 kilometers. Okay. Look at the guy next to me. I think I have a call.
Oh no!
My God, I'm already on the way. Can come out, take it. I drove almost like 15 kilometers. Yeah, thank you. I'll see you soon.
So my bad, I didn't check the calendar right. The appointment is for tomorrow, but I just came all the way. But the showroom people are always friendly and then helpful. They said, okay, bring it, it's okay, we will take it. Okay, approaching the bigger traffic, which is Silk Board. And so if you're in Bangalore, to succeed in Bangalore, right, you have to at least cross 3 bridges. The one is this Silk Board bridge, the other one is Marathalli bridge, and third one is the Kyarpuram bridge. Unfortunately, whenever I go to office, I have to cross all the bridges. Right. Okay, so besides the public reaction, a couple of issues that I can really talk about. The height of the bike, and I also told in the last video. So if you're like anything less than 5.5 or 5.4, so it will be very difficult to balance this bike. It's an ADV, pure ADV tourer, and you have to have that physique. If not, it's tough. Other than that, the bike is smooth as possible, smooth as butter, and then it gives you the power that you require. It is a nimble bike. It doesn't make too much of noise. You can see that it doesn't give you too much of exhaust noise, but it does the job. It gives you the kick where exactly it requires, and it takes you places. It is off road or on the road, or you want to go on a different types of terrain. Okay, especially the Bangalore path holes. This bike takes it on. That's something I really love it. So far, it's been a tremendous experience with BMW. Honestly, I'm telling you, this has been one of the best bikes that I have seen, I have ridden so far in the last 1 year. Right. This bike is mainly, I use it for the Sunday rides, weekend rides, long drives. I don't really take it to office every day. It is not a daily commuting vehicle for me. So, but yeah, definitely you can drive it on a city, but I personally feel this is not a city bike. So this is mainly for a tourer. Okay. As I told you, see, the public reaction is guaranteed. Wherever you go, you get it. Glad that I have a 360 camera so I can record everybody around me. So whomever watching my bike, I have them captured already. So I'm very closer to the showroom. This is Koramangala. I'm on the Soniwar Signal Road. One of the beautiful and then most calm areas of Bangalore, I could say, Koramangala and then HSR layout. Right, here we are. This is our showroom make life ride, BMW Gs. Let's go.
More than that.
How many years are riding?
2 years.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, it is fine. I've never got no engine issues at least.
No engine issues.
Brake issues are this not brake.
The clutch one. The gear
Gear
one, right?
issues are there. It goes hard over time.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓಡಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ವೈಫ್ ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ವೈಫ್ ರೈಡ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೈತಾರೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಾಡಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಏನಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ ಐ ಗೆಟ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ನನಗೂ 10,000 ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಅಭಿಜಿತ್ ಯಾರ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಹಾಂ ಆಯಿಲ್ದು ವಿಸ್ಕೋಸಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಆಯಿಲ್ ವಿಸ್ಕೋಸಿಟಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಸೊ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸೊ ಏನು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್ ಗಾಡಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹೊಡಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 7,000 ಚೇಂಜ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹೊಡೋದು 7,000 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೊಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೊಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಏನಿದು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ 99 ಯಾವ ಬೈಕ್ ಅದು
ಬೈಕ್ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆನ ಸೀಟ್
So everybody knows that. Even I am a rider.
Oh, nice. Okay, it's not a bike. Okay, it looks like somebody riding on a bike, right? Wheel ತರ ಇದೆ ಮುಂದೆ.
Two females.
Two females, okay. This is 1000 XR. And is this even a bike?
The next day.
Here it is. 7714. Okay. Really need a clean Marudana. But by the time we go back home, it would be again dirty. So I'll just have to ask, how do we maintain this as shiny as it is now? And tires are not cleaned. Complete LED is cleaned. Oh, it's unlocked also. It looks good. That's our BMW Gs 310. Let's go inside. Okay, that's about the showroom. It's time for ride. Okay, right now we have come to the important section of the video. What exactly done in the service center and then how much it costed for the second service. So first thing, I got a long list of invoice, and then looking at the invoice, I forgot even record it, whatever he was explaining. But let me go through the invoice and I'll show you the photograph here, a screenshot here. So first thing, oil service, it's about 274 rupees. Oil filter, I think the filter was changed. The Shell oil, so they use a Shell oil 15W50 kind of advanced synthetic oil, which is 2-liter petrol, close to like 1,600 rupees goes for that. The gasket ring, they always remove the ring and then they throw it away, they don't reuse it, so another 100 rupees. Chain cleaning, chain lubing, I do it at home for free, but chain cleaning and lubing about 600 rupees. Brake cleaner 180, radiator ant, this is something I love it, I just need it, 242.
brake fluid for both. So one thing what we should also remember, what they have told me is they'll flush out all the oil. It could be brake oil or it could be the no the engine oil. They flush out everything and then they dry it out, air it out, and then they put the new oil. So that takes a little bit of extra time. So for example, the brake fluid will cost about 273. Just to refill that to entire system, to change the brake fluid from all the way from the front to the back, it cost about 1000 rupees, 952 rupees. And regular service charge by my BMW is 952 again. Oil change in the engine with the filter is 571, blah blah blah, and then a labor charge about 300 rupees. So all of those, the labor alone costed me about 3300 rupees. The parts which they have used costed about 3400 rupees. The rest goes in the tax, which is 1000 rupees, 1100 rupees of 1200 rupees of tax. So that close to adds up to 7851 all the way. How is the ride after this? It's pretty smooth. This is what I was always expecting. The bike is so smooth now, and I feel it is as new as I got it on the first day. And then perfectly, I prefer personally, if you give a chance, okay, will you buy a bike again which is of BMW? I'll happily buy a BMW brand bike, any of those bikes, right? So with this, the service charge may look at on a higher end, but looking at the brand and the service and maintaining the bigger bike, it definitely cost you a little bit of extra money. So looking at those factors and the comfort it gives you, and more than anything, the people reaction and the public reaction what you get every day, that something pays off, that definitely pays you back. Okay, so with that, I think I'll ride back home and then see you on my next ride. So I'll take you guys to some other beautiful place. Until then, take care, have a good time, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe, and then let me know what do you think about this video in the comment section. So take care, have a great time, bye bye.